Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to start with our software engineering practical 3. We are done with the explanation of activity diagram, right? And in the last video, if you haven't seen that, please guys go and check. Activity diagram explanation is already uploaded. Now we are going to do it with our activity diagram example. So let's start with the question. So this one is the order processing subsystem. We need to draw the activity diagram for order processing subsystem. So let's read the question and try to understand. Okay. So web customer uses some website to make purchases online, where customer can search the item, view the item, add the item to the cart, place order and make the payments. Okay. For placing an order, the customer first searches the required items from the system. As and when the customer finds the available item available in the system, he starts adding the item to the chart. The system provides facility to the customer to add any number of items to the cart. Here it should be cart, not chart. Okay, so the customer can also view his shipping cart containing items. Once the customer finishes his shopping, he can place the order by requesting system to confirm the order, and the system will then check whether the order is normal order or any special order, and according to that the system will generate the bill and request for payment. After getting the bill and the customer can make the payment, and the bank will validate the credit card number. If the credit card number is valid, the system will confirm the order, and otherwise the process will get terminated. I mean the process, that is the shopping, will get to an end. Okay. So what this question actually says is, let me explain you. Now you may already done the shopping through Amazon or Flipkart, etc. What you do there is you go into their website, you try to search out the items you want. For example, you want to do the shopping of the laptop or any dresses, shoes, etc. You try to search out that particular item, right? And after searching that particular item, when you get whatever you want, you will try to add it into the cart, and it will allow you to add multiple items into the cart. And when you will finish finding your items, searching your items and adding it into the cart, when you're finished, when you are done with your shopping, you can go and for placing an order. And when the order is placed, then you will make the payment. There may be the options available like payment, pay on delivery, or pay through debit card, credit card, etc. So you have these options. You will select that one option, and if you select the option that is paying through credit card or debit card, then when you will try to purchase through credit card or debit card, the bank, you can see here it is written, the bank will validate the credit card number. If the credit card number is valid, the system will confirm the order, otherwise the process will get terminated. Okay, so hope you guys understood this one question. Now we'll start with the drawing of the diagram into the StarUML software. So let's start. First what we'll do is we'll add the diagram, activity diagram. Okay, so now first thing we need to do is we need to think that what can be the subparts of this entire system, subsystems of this entire system, and show to represent those subparts of the system, you need to use this swim lane, vertical swim lane. Okay, so we'll draw it like that. We'll press the left key and we'll drag this. Okay, so the first subpart will be, of course, the system at customer side, first partition of this entire system. The another part will be the system itself, and the third part will be bank. See, these are the three parts of this entire system, the entire website that we need to develop. The customer, what he'll do, he'll search for the items, he will add into the cart, he will place the order, he'll do the payments, etc. The system will view the items to the customer, and when the customer will place the order or add the items into the cart, he will allow him to add into the cart, and then he will allow him to request for the payment and to pay, and when he'll do the payment, the system will verify the number with the bank, and when the bank validates the number, at that time the payment will be done. So what we need to do is we need to draw this diagram, and these action symbols are used here to write the operations. Okay, so the first operation, the very first operation will be searching the items, or search the items. Whatever you want you can write, but it should be meaningful. Then the system will view the item. Then let's this is the initial symbol, and these are the control flows. So the system will start here, and it will do this first operation. Then the item will be searched, and the system will view the items. Then I'll place the condition symbol. I'll explain you, just a second, wait. So see, the system starts here. The user will search for the items. The items will be shown by the system to the user. The list of the items that particular website provides the user to do the shopping, and then this when the user will view the list, at that time the condition will be there that either the user will add the products into the cart, or it will directly, if he will be having the products already into the cart in when he had searched last time. So at that time he can directly go and search and view his cart, that how many items do he have into his cart. Okay, view shopping cart. it can be for that also, that he want to see, the customer want to see that how many items he have in his cart, or do he have in his cart or not. Might his he want to just check that his cart is empty, or he have added earlier some of the items. So at that time we can use this condition. Either he'll add the cart into the item, into the add the items into the cart, or he will see till now. So the customer will start searching for the items. He will be shown all the list of the items. At that time, either he will add the items into the cart, or when the item will be added, otherwise he'll first check whatever I means how many items do he have into the cart, or whether his cart is empty or filled, etc. At that time, when see when the items are added into the cart, at that time, if the items are added directly into the cart, so at that time he will place the order. Now I will show. See, items are added into the cart, and after the items are added into the cart, at that time he will again verify his shopping cart and place the order. Okay, and at that time the request will be sent to the system to confirm the order, and the order will be confirmed, and he will request to generate the bill. Okay, next will be request for payment. Okay, so request for payment will be sent to the customer. So here the next action will be make payments, or select the option for the payment. Whatever you want to write, you can write. See, like this. And from here, What the next customer will do, he'll select the option either of payment at delivery or payment via debit card or credit card. If he selected the payment via debit card or credit card, so just a second, at that time the control flow will go here, and here the action will be the bank will validate the credit or debit card number. Okay, so here comes validation of debit or credit card number. Okay, yeah, so you have to connect this one action with this and show the control flow like this. Okay, and when the card will be validated, at that time the order will be confirmed, and otherwise the here you can see when the bank will validate the credit card number, and if the credit card number is validated, the system will confirm the order. The system will confirm the order. Okay, and then otherwise the process will be terminated. So if the credit card or debit card number is not confirmed, the bank will say that the credit card or debit card number is not uh, correct, or this is not the credit card or debit card number which is given by this bank to any of its customer. So at that time the process will be terminated. So here again we need to use the condition. Here are two conditions. No, we have to see either the credit card is validated or not, whether the credit card debit card number is correct or not. So at that time we'll use the condition symbol and the control flow symbol. So from here the other action will be the system will confirm the order. You can write order confirmed. When the order will be confirmed, when it is validated, or you can write correct. Otherwise the process will be terminated. Okay, so hope you guys understood this one example clearly. See, let's do it once again. Let's try to understand it once again. See, what was the question? You need to develop the website in which the web customer can make the purchases online, and the customer can search the items, view and add the items to the cart and place the order and make the payments. For placing an order, the customer will first search the required items from the system, and as and when the customer finds the item available in the system, he starts adding the item to the cart. The system provides the facility to the customer to add any number of items to the cart, and the customer can also view his shopping cart containing the items. So he can also view his shopping cart, right, that how much items do his shopping cart contains. So for that only we have used this one symbol here. We have used this control flow from directly this condition to this condition when the customer just want to view his shopping cart. So what happens is the system will start search the items will be viewed to him. At that time, if he'll find the required item, he'll you can use here required item if available, then add it into cart. So this will be added into the shopping cart, and at that time customer will verify, will check that whatever items he do want, he have added that one items only into the shopping cart. At that time he will place the order, and he'll confirm the order. The request will be sent to the system. You can here also write request sent to system to confirm the order. Okay, so the order when the order will be confirmed, at that time the request for the to generate the bill will be sent, and at that time the system will generate the request for payment, and this request will be sent to customer, that is to make the payments, and the customer will make the payments either he'll by selecting the option, and at that time when he'll do the payment through credit card or debit card. Payment through debit or credit card. At that time, the request is sent to the bank to validate the debit or credit card number, and at that time the condition will be checked that whether the if the debit card or credit card is valid. At that time the order will be confirmed, otherwise the system will be the process will be terminated. And this might can also happen if the condition here it is not given any such a statement that the request the message will be sent to the user that your debit card or credit card number is not correct, and it is not validated by the bank. It is verified by the bank, but the bank did not have verified said that your card is valid. So at that time the request can be sent to the customer. You can try that also. Okay, so this was the diagram for online ordering system or order processing subsystem. Hope you guys understood this one practical, this one example of activity diagram. Wait just a second, I need to show you one more question. See guys, this question can come for any type of the diagram. Here you will be given the use case diagram, and depending upon this use case diagram, on the basis of this use case diagram, you have to draw the activity diagram, sequence diagram, state diagram, or any diagram that is told to you to draw. So hope you guys understood this one practical as well. Guys, any queries, as I always say, please mention in the comment section below, and hope you guys are understanding. Any queries guys, please mention in the comment section below, and also Do subscribe, guys. Press the bell icon to get the notification. Till then, have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you in the next video.